If you are creating courses, you're creating memberships, if you want to stand out from your competition, you need an IP framework. What is that? It's an intellectual property framework. It's a model. It's a step-by-step system. It's your unique way of getting people from A to B. And when you have then created these steps that you take people through in your particular IP framework, you are then going to create a visual diagram, a visual model. It could be a circle to success. It could be literal steps. It could be one after the other, little paving stones. Think of these visual diagrams that could then represent and illustrate the path that you take people on. I call mine a success journey. What would your equivalent of these steps be? I always say at this stage, if you're not sure, first of all, just think, if I was your target customer and I was in my absolute darkest day in whatever it is that you're an expert in, and I sat down with you and said, please help me, I want to become as much of an expert as you are in your topic. I want to get to that place where I feel like it's the sunniest day ever in this particular thing. What would you do with me first? What would be the first conversation we'd need to have? What would be the first thing we need to unpack? That's going to be your step one. The best way to really work through this is to imagine you're going through this process with an individual. Then what would you need me to learn? Then what would you need me to do? Then what would you need me to implement? Then what must I learn? This is going to give you all of your steps for your unique model. Now, having an IP framework will now form the basis of every single product you create, every single keynote you deliver, your book chapters, your coaching program stages, everything is now going to be formed around your IP framework. And this is what will help you dramatically stand out from the crowd in your field as well.